Yo, yo. Not enough meat in this trade. Yo, guys, what's up, bro? Got 1 minute left. I have no idea how the day is gonna be. Be a hit or miss. Just prepare, you know, size slow, down. Could be choppy. All right, let's let the games begin. Need 400 bucks on this one. All right. I hope his soul collects right here. What's up, guys? What's up? So that's why it does it. Okay. All right, we got that soul grab right here. It's in between, so it's gonna be a little weird. It needs to like rip up, and then we can short it. Wait, one candle, 12 points. We're not used to that recently. Recently, it's been like 50 to 100 point candles, so it is definitely a change of pace here. Yeah, this could be an off day. I'm just testing the waters here. It's gonna be hit or miss, to be honest with you. If we can keep getting this movement, though, I'm okay with that.
Daddy? Is that you?
It is. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
To the soul, daddy. What demo trading app? Trading View. For sure. Everybody at least charts on Trading View. Most. They do have a Black Friday sale right now. Thanks for the hearts, guys. Tap that screen. Get me up to at least 200 if you guys don't mind. Get me on the to be seen. All right, let's see if this gets us a lower high. Maybe we can short scalp it a little bit for gold. What are you doing? Day off? I was off yesterday. Most likely, I think M&Q is going to pop back up. Money never sleeps, Maverick. No, I got some free time. I don't have to go to any family's house until like another 6 hours. I came in here not expecting much, but maybe just hang out at the same time. We do have a lower high here. Let's see if it comes back up. Maybe we can short this a tiny bit. Fucking, I have no idea where this is going. If it does, this is collapsing. I don't really expect much on this, but fuck, can we get to 212? I would be ecstatic. You think so? I'm okay with a couple hours of movement. Get some pump movement. I'll be fucking stoked. See how this reacts. I don't want to fucking short it. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, am I signed in here? $24,000? Don't tell me you're holding it that far. You're not in the trade, are you, Jennifer? Let's see how this reacts here. This look fucking short.
Order filled.
Again, expect nothing today, okay? Trade like nothing is going to work. You think long? It could be long too. Let me see here. Oh, you are, Dev? Yeah, trade small. Today's a little different. First? Maybe we'll see. Damn. I really wanted gonna go without me on this platform.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, daddy. Definitely a long way to 24, bro. Oof. Yeah, I would move on regardless, unless you're on Top Step. Yeah, guys, if you're not on Top Step, do not use what the fuck's it called? Yeah, what's it? Project X. Do not use Project X. Top Step only if you're gonna use Project X. They are taking away the platform completely. All right, I'm gonna get out of this a little bit. See if it comes back up. I don't wanna.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I don't think he's gonna hold overnight. A lot of us don't hold overnight. We get out at 5. They'll probably give you another account. I don't see why not. It's not really fair. That's fucked up by Top Step, in my opinion. How you gonna release a prop firm? I would sue the shit out of them. I'm the soul daddy, baby. I'm the market maker. Yeah, it was. You gotta do by right a little bit. You can't just bail out like that. Damn, this was so fucking nice. We missed it. Yeah, Jen. I think Jen is short. I think Jen's short, Dev. No, the Top Step move was a dick move for sure. Alright, let's see if we can get a higher low here, and then we're gonna fucking go into this, baby. Let's get some money. $25,290. Oh, so like, did you just enter today, Jennifer? Then I'm gonna agree with Dev here. That's a long ways down. If it does go down there, awesome. But that's a hard one. That's a hard one to do. Oh yeah. Who the fuck's got extra money to lose though, girl? Who got extra money?
Only Alpha Daddy does, baby.
Daddy, chill.
Guys, we got 56 people in here on Thanksgiving. Hit that follow button. We made a little money here. I don't know if any of you guys caught that. Yeah, stop loss is needed, especially if you're swinging. If you're swinging that deep, prepare to get punctured that deep. Nah, it depends on what Jennifer's strategy is. If they want to hold overnight and then they trail it, I'm perfectly cool with that. I just, long term, I just don't feel it. There's too many variables that are going on. Wow, this is, a mess. We're sleeping all right. Perfectly cool. Just put us, just trail it. Just trail your profits. You just copy what I said, Dev. Dang it. You got that drop? We got a little bit of it. We got a little of it. Gold? See, gold's still moving. I think gold fucking falls. I'm just gonna do one. But I want to wait for this to come back up a little bit. Very good. That's right. At least you're deciding, Maverick. Stick to it. And agreed. If it doesn't move a lot, then it will be very hard to... I can't recommend investments. You think so? Yeah, it's gonna be real choppy.
Daddy?
The low volume
Is
might
that
get
you?
us.
Americana, welcome to Bully Bears Trading. Anybody else watching, hit that follow button.
Hit that follow button. I'm expecting nothing today, okay, guys? You gotta expect nothing today. There you go. I like that answer, Maverick. If this higher low can stick, I'll go long on MNQ.
Daddy? Is that you?
Martin, welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
I am looking for a short on gold. It is a gamble, though. That's why I'm not really like... Yeah, this is too soon to even say. Not even an order block yet. I don't know. I think I'm not going to fuck with that. This one I will, though, if it gives me a fucking good entry here.
Order
Coming
filled.
out of the order block, I don't see why we don't.
Order filled.
I'm in a long on MNQ, but again, I'm prepared to lose. Prepared to die. It is kind of lower high still. This is a higher low. It's gonna decide. So what I do have here is probably the London lows here were broken. The souls I collected, they're trapped right now. All the souls are trapped. I got 2 rockets. I'm waiting for the higher low to print. Remember, Jennifer, I'm a scalper, not a long-term buyer. Dev, tomorrow I'm up in the air tomorrow. It all depends on what time I go to bed. Yeah, I took that out on Mr. Dad. It wasn't settling right with me. This was the ultimate entry right here. 4191s could have been a very good, nice one. Mrs. Powers, do you have to cook today? I'm a 1-minute guy.
Daddy?
You're all done?
Is that you?
What time did you wake up?
Motherfucking truth, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
You cooking for home or work? Oof. For Doge? I'm long on all crypto right now, but we could go into a bear market. It's 50-50. It's playing tricks on us. Oh, for home. You're off of work today? No work today for cooking? Let's see if it comes right here. Could be wrong.
Daddy?
Oof.
Is that
This
you?
is scary. We got a shift in rockets. This could be scary. Dev, I think it's a sleeping giant right now. Oh, nice. I want to add
Order filled.
3 more on this. It's very slow, so I'm not too nervous.
Order filled.
Nah, this is futures. This is futures. The micro NASDAQ in gold. But it could be it could be dead, Dev, until the next cycle. The thing is that the cycle's done right now. It didn't move. It threw me off. Again, remember, I have a full Bitcoin at $6,000, so I'm usually really good at trading crypto, but I'm not gonna lie, it's throwing me off. But usually when it throws you off, I don't know if you guys study Elliott waves, but we're usually, if you just don't know what the fuck's going on, you're usually in a wave 4. And a wave 4 is the choppiness before that wave 5, and the wave 5 is usually a fucking monster. A monster. So it's like, pick your poison. Wave 5 is usually a monster. Yeah, I'm prepared for it though, Dev. I'm prepared for it. I mean, at this point, I'm pretty numb to watch my $26,000 go back and forth. Man, this needs to stick or I'm fucked. Just to let you guys know, we will have to close this. This has to stick right here. If it doesn't, then forever hold your peace. I jumped the gun on this, I guess, for that long. I mean, in reality, the movement is so choppy that I got a short and a long, basically in the same candles, so. Oh, you risking it, Dev? Yeah, just be careful. What did gold do? Gold probably did that fucking short. God damn it. Higher low on gold though here. If this prince is going, it's ripping up. Just gotta break this right here. Let me get these out of the way a little bit. But do know that it is there. Right here. If this breaks this, we good. We Gucci. We Gucci, man. Guys, we had 104 people in here. Give me a little Thanksgiving. Give me a follow. Give me a follow. Give me a reason to fucking be on today. Even though I don't gotta go anywhere until like another
Daddy?
6 hours.
Is that you?
EMC Square, welcome to motherfucking Bully Bears. Love the name, love the name.
Daddy, chill.
Gold looks like it wants to rip up. Breaks days, we going. I want to get 2 more.
Order filled. Order filled.
We cook at my house every year. This year we did a little different. I guess it's gonna feel nice to have a little break and not have to clean up the. Well, you always help clean up the mess, but Thanksgiving's always like hit or miss wherever we go. But most of the time we cook at my house, but we definitely have Christmas here. It only makes sense. Room wise. I usually get a big ass Christmas tree. A real one too. It's such a pain in the ass. But I don't know. I usually get a 10-foot Christmas tree. Hey, they are fucking annoying. Such a pain in the ass. All right. That orb is in. The orb is in. We got a high up here. So the orb, how it works is from 9:30 in the morning Eastern New York time till 9:45, whatever the high or low is marked out. Basically, if we're in between, it gets a little choppy. If we start breaking out below it, we can start getting some momentum or direction in which way we're going.
Daddy? Is that you?
Heyo, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Gold. It did stick. Let's see if it comes back. We might get a buy in gold. That would have been a great short. Great short. But remember, guys, expect to lose today. It is very choppy. Very choppy. This higher low stuck. This higher low stuck. And now, if it starts going below this, we need to get the fuck out. That means the structure is broken. Now, this does need the break. If it doesn't, then no bueno. No good. What's up, R123? Is anybody else streaming, trading live? I'm curious. I'm curious. Day trading. Live. Oh, I'm not the only one? Yes, Dev.
And that's how it should be, or you're going in the fucking dungeon.
I'm just kidding. I appreciate you. I don't know who Luna is. I'm not sure who that is. Fire low? Might have to look into that because I don't think that's stuck. Come on, break it. Break it, bitch. You long in gold? Yeah, I like gold for the long. I'm just trying to stay patient. But it does look nice for a long gold. I love gold. While we're waiting, we can do one gold. I'm only gonna go in one, I think.
Order filled.
If it breaks this, then I'm out. Okay. Okay. Man, I'm trying to get long on gold on Tradevate, but the volume, I don't know if they fucking changed it on me. Gold. This makes sense, motherfucker.
Order filled.
I'm okay with him saying fuck the city. Are stocks themselves closed today? I didn't look up that. So I'm gonna put my stop loss below this higher low. I think we're good until Forex is closed. Oh, so just futures, I see. It could barcode, guys. It could barcode. We're in long in gold and M&Q. M&Q is extremely slow right now. You mean 20K on gold? Wow. You can be my hero, Brazilda. We're long on M&Q and micro gold. I love gold. And this is really slow. Oh, I'll have to check them out one time, Maverick. We don't know where this higher low is yet. We have to wait. That would be the ultimate strategy. Guys, we got 164 people in here on Thanksgiving. Show some love. Hit that follow button. Hit that motherfucking follow. This is good. This is good. The X of death. Because that was for the anchor down. It has now lost its momentum to the downside. The reason why we got in is because higher low was printing off this order block. Still risky, but we're taking a little jab. Yo, if it goes to 24K tonight, I'm gonna wake up and say, damn, motherfucking General was right. I might have to give my my TikTok to her. But you know what? You just trade. You just trade. Roosters 12. What does I think it was like 12.45. A lot of them were. Let me see.
Daddy? Is that you?
There you go, Van Wink. Welcome to the motherfucking Bully Bears Trading.
Let's see. My funded is closed at 1 p.m. and will reopen at 6. But all traders should close their positions by 12:45. We'll be way done before that. You don't want to risk it. It'll probably get choppy as shit. Gold's looking nice, baby. Did we take it out here, or do we see if it wants to come here? The choices, the choices. Dev, right? Careful what you say. I need this bad boy to rip all the way up to 308s on MNQ. Gold, we're waiting. I don't know if it wants like a new high or anything like that. It could. We have to see on how it reacts up here. It could just shut down right here on this one. I'm not sure. For gold. I love gold. This is true, Jen. This is true. But you seem like you're confident. Throwing me off. We're not saying you're wrong. We just want to know. This is true, but what news is there? And, you know, Black Friday... The reason why I call it Black Friday, because there was a crash. Maybe it'll repeat itself. And MNQ. We got to get past this. I remember. We traded it. This stupid midline, bro. All yesterday, this was a pain in the ass. And now today, it's being a pain in the ass. Who the fuck was I trading yesterday? It was such a pain in the ass. I think it was on gold. Miracle gonna happen again? Let's see. Juan, thank you for the share. Appreciate you. What's up, Rax? I like the name. Are you serious, huh? I'll give you 5K. Hey, yeah, I would be careful making that bet, that call, that bet, because... Trying to think if it wants here or if it wants here. 310s. And then most likely it wants 314s, but I'm not sure yet. Gold's chilling. I got you, Mr. Dad. I got you. I might even take out some there, because I'm in 9 contracts on this one. Only because the volume was really low. But we were being cautious at the same time. I don't see why this doesn't go up to 308s. And then it should go up to 310s, and then we'll hold the last three and see what happens. This is going to be hard to pull this up. I was hoping just took out 308s right away. I don't see why this even needs to pull back yet. Gold. All right. We're taking turns, baby. Dev, you gotta hedge it. Get your ass up there, girl. Get your ass up there. Get your ass up there. Yeah, it had some great momentum. It might want to come back here and touch this order block, but oh, we got a green candle. More volume coming in. Doesn't mean it's good volume. 278 people in here on Thanksgiving. Be a good, friendly neighbor and hit that motherfucking follow button. Thanks for the share. Appreciate you. Appreciate you.
You guys are invited to have turkey in my dungeon. I cleaned it, I swear. I swear.
Wow, huge volume spike here. Oh, thank you. And good luck to you also. Yeah, this is there's a lot of volume here, whatever the fuck it is. Gold's putting around. We're still green on gold.
Order filled.
Just add a little bit to M and Q for my funded. Okay, this has got a bull flag here. If it doesn't break this and it fails, then it's probably going to be pretty ugly. I'm going to put this at 9. I'm going to make this so it closes if it hits. Because this is going to be really ugly if this doesn't, you're in a short position. Of course, Danny. I usually do. Every time. My reason for getting in long on M and Q was I have the soul collector. My flag appears, which means that the souls are trapped. All those shorts are now trapped as it goes long, which makes a momentum move. Souls trapped. I got my rockets, meaning that the market is now shifting. I wait for my higher low to print, and now we're in for the upside. And now I'm waiting to see if we can get out into one of these order blocks up here. If it breaks above, we Gucci. Nice gold. Nice. I'm in a gold long too. Don't worry, Danny. I usually try to say what I'm saying. Yeah, G, it happens. The volume is really off today, so just be careful. I want to say this was like 60% skill and 40% luck. because of the volume. And we are in the middle of the orb. If you guys don't know what orb means at 9:30 a.m. Eastern New York time. You take the highest point all the way to 9:45. You take the lowest point. In between there is called the orb. If it trades in there, it can get real sloppy. I'm going to try, Dev. I'm going to try. I most likely will. It's got to be worth my time, though. We got 400 people in here. Hit that follow button. Thanksgiving. Give me some thanks. And some drinks. Thanks, Dev. I try. I try to fill that void, right? Because trading can be boring. You think I do a good job of filling in that void? Thank you, thank you. Figured, you know, you put some skill involved and entertainment.
Now we're fucking talking, baby.
Thanks for the share, Abby. Up P&L? Yeah, right up here. Look up here. This is for the day. This is for the day.
Daddy? Is that you?
Zeta, welcome. The Bully Bears Trading. Oh, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, it's right here. These are my open profits for today. One account, I'm up only $40. The other one I'm up $600, and the other one I'm down $100. You know why this one's down? I went to go trade gold, and actually was trading NASDAQ, or vice versa. It might have been the opposite. My funded futures leverage, Mr. Dad, you were right, I think. Ooh, which one was that? Gold? Alright, gold hit that first one. Go over to gold real quick. The leverage on gold's insane. Oh, I got out. Damn it.
Order filled.
I still think it was a good idea to get out. And thanks for telling him, Dev. Yeah, up here is my open profit right now. We'll be seeing if gold wants to go up, and then we'll look for a soul collector, a short. But right now, we are looking for this long. To even get up into these order blocks here. We do have a break-even stop loss just in case it wants to go F ourselves. There you go, baby. Come on. Come on! Come on! Get your ass up there. I'm not trading any coins. This is NASDAQ futures. And gold futures. Oh, this one's gold. We just closed our gold. What a beauty. Damn. Went up an extra $1, bro. Could have made an extra $50 there. It's okay, though. There was a lot of resistance here. A lot of resistance.
Being Kenneth, welcome to the motherfucking dungeon, baby.
Daddy, chill.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
You're trying to Why are you going short, Dad? Mr. Dad? On futures? What does that mean? Can I go in now on futures? What do you see that I don't see? This lower high needs to break up soon, though. Oh, if you want to. I just got out. I'm hoping this rips up. We might get a soul collector. And what does a soul collector means? It means the shorts are trapped It boosts up, and now the longs are trapped, and we might reverse back down. It'll squeeze out the longs as it comes down, giving it momentum
Daddy?
to the downside.
Is that you?
Mira, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
So what that means is you obviously need volume to go in a certain direction. If you don't have volume, then it's not going to move. For every winner, there is a loser. Remember that. For every loser, there's a winner. Somebody has to take your trades on the opposite side. So what happens? It ends up filling other people's trades. They're soul collected. And then we start screaming, soul, baby. All aboard this motherfucking soul train. And then it starts coming back down because they're stuck. The momentum is there. They start closing their trades. And then it starts giving it more volume. The volume is key. Okay, so I really need one of these to stick. And then we'll put our stop loss. Yeah. Stick around and learn, man. Stick around and learn. This is going to keep going up gold, I think. Wow, this is the movement's pretty wild on this because I can see my profit go up and down like crazy. Still good. Still Gucci. Break this lower high and we good. It's not set in stone though, it's in gray. There you go, daddy. Make that high. Make that high. 308s. We're waiting for 308s to at least take out a partial. 1/3 I'm taking out. Get your ass up there. Now, I'm going to say if this breaks this higher low here, I will not like it anymore, okay? So I'm going to move my my break even now up to 300s, and that will lock me in, period. It is struggling. Gold's still going to rip up. I think gold rips up higher. Kind of want to take a gold trade here.
Order filled.
Just one, nothing crazy. Fuck you.
Order filled. Order filled.
It keeps making the higher highs. I think we good. I think we Gucci. There it goes. We got the souls. You see the soul flag? So we could actually take this out. Let's take out one.
Order filled.
Hell yeah.
Order filled.
Nice, nice. Who's your daddy? Get up there. Alright, we're gonna close it.
Order filled.
We will be looking for a short on gold, guys. Thanks for the share. I appreciate you. So gold, we will be looking for a short. Let's go back to our MNQ, which is the NASDAQ. Wow, what a fucking... Pick a side, motherfucker. Just in case, I think I'm gonna take 3 out. Gold. I love gold.
Stop field.
Uh-oh. It's falling.
Order filled.
M&Q is not holding.
Order filled.
So I'm getting out of M&Q. If it rips up, it rips up. I don't want to take the chance. It's dying. Higher low, kind of broke. Lower low. So it could be soul collecting there, but I don't really feel it right now, okay? Silent. I was long. I just got out. I just got pushed out. For profit. For profit. I'm still wondering how I'm negative on this account here. Gold, I'm looking for a short. I mean, gold can still push up. But I do have the souls collected here. We'll have to see what happens soon with, like, this order block over here. What are you looking for on GC? I'm looking for a short. What happened here is I wanted these highs to be taken out. So now all those guys that went long could be trapped in a short position. Or, you know, vice versa. The souls are collected. They all think it's going long and then it ends up going short. But we have to confirm and wait for a lower high to form. Okay, we got our first anchor here. That's our first warning that we're going to be going down. And if you're curious and want to use my indicators, totally up to you. I'm not fucking forcing anybody. So if anybody asks me why I sell my indicators, you can go fuck yourself. Nah, I'm just joking. Happy Thanksgiving. Anyways, if you join my free Discord, we be bullshitting in there when I'm not live. And then if you want, go to the VIP section, join. You'll get a free 30-day trial. After the 30-day trial, it is $1 a day, $30 for the month. Extremely cheap, especially if you watch me. Most days, I'm fucking green, so...
Awful Daddy.
Daddy?
Oh, shit, I got a turkey on Turkey Day. By my man, Liberty. By my man, Liberty. X-Files. Take your time, bro. Learn a little bit if you want. Make sure you guys know the basics. You know, I want you guys to get the most you can out of that trial. Not yet. I'm waiting, Danny. I am waiting for a short here. I do have my anchor. I'm going to wait for a higher low to form. And then we'll be getting in. If M&Q... Ooh, good fucking call to get out. Mr. Dad, did you get in that? I know you said you were shorting. So the reason why I got out on this was I dragged my stop loss up into this higher low here, and then it broke. It broke, so it was time to get out. And I'm glad that I listened, because look what just happened.
Daddy? Is that you?
You were right. What were you seeing? I don't see it. Unless it's the 61% pullback that I'm just seeing right now. Yep, right on that 61. I thought it was gonna at least tap this.
User 19, welcome to the motherfucking bully bears.
Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. All right, we got our shift here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This might just drop on us. Sometimes we miss these when they're just so violently down. The reason why I don't get in these right away, because you guys know, yeah, we fucking made banging ass trades with this. But recently the pullbacks have been a little bit aggressive, so we've been waiting for the lower highs, and sometimes we miss it. But this is 5. Within 5 candles, we've been noticing that this just drops right away. Still up in the air if I want to get in. MNQ. On a longer term basis, if this MNQ doesn't break this low on a 5-minute time frame, this is a long entry down here. So it's got to break this. If it doesn't, then it's long for MNQ. And what I mean by like higher low and lower high, those are like stair steps, right? It's showing you which way the market's going. It's the structure of the market. If it starts breaking the high and the low, then obviously the market's changing, right? It's going to the lower or higher, higher. We got a few entries here. Hold on a second. Oh, it is gonna drop without us. See it? Do I want to take a jab or nah, bro? It's gonna go without us.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
No, Jen, I don't. It didn't go down enough yet, Jen. And this is gold. I'm kind of looking for probably around this area. It's just a quick scalp, nothing crazy. You do have this little micro order block here. Again, I'm gonna work on this today to get it out to you VIP guys. Yeah, if you guys are ever curious, look in the background of TradingView and it'll show you what it is. And if it comes up a little bit and it does make the lower high, then I'll enter in a little more aggressive. Yeah, that's because it's just soul collecting today. Don't expect continuation plays today. If this makes a lower high, then we'll get in more. I'm okay with it. Guys, my camera's off for a second. My wife made me some pancakes with bananas. And I don't want you guys to think, you know. I don't want you guys to watch me eat like that, you know? My horns go into the pancakes. Oh yeah. This might be a higher low on MNQ for a longer term trade. Mm-hmm. Moo. I am short. I'm gonna add into it, but I'm kind of waiting for like a lower high to print. This one's a hard. This is hard to trade. M&Q definitely looks like it wants to go up. I'm gonna add in now, I think.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of waiting for. I did add more shorts to gold.
Order filled.
Jennifer. Again, Jen, I'm all short term. That long term bias of yours, you could be right. You really could be right. I just long term is just different than my style.
Daddy? Is that you?
The Moss. Welcome to motherfucking Bully Bears.
Guys, if you're tuning in, my camera's off right now. I'm just eating real quick. Gambler. Who's a gambler? Yeah, I'm eating some pancakes. What the fuck's a Whataburger burrito? That sounds amazing. A Whataburger burrito? Fucking jealous. No, I don't know what that is. Whataburger. I'm from Jersey. Pancake with some bananas, yo. Wow, that was a lower high in the 5. Look. If this breaks out above here, then it's probably going to launch. And it's kind of already 86% full, so this is probably going to rip up MNQ. I just don't know if it has the volume. Man, that lower high did not fucking stick yet. Thought it was. It did. Am I like an animal? I'm using a paper plate right now. And I just stuck my fork through the paper plate. What the fuck's
Daddy?
wrong with me?
Is that you?
Like, who does that? Danny, I'll tell you when I get scared. I ain't no bitch. You're right, I can't control my muscles. From all the people I got locked up in my dungeon. They were, kind of wrestling me today. I might just fucking trade and I just smashed my pancakes. What a savage. Who the fuck does that? I should even be in the open world right now with... That means I had to, like, stick my fork through the desk for it to go through. Let me check. I think we're okay. I don't know. Like, there's no way of going through paper plate unless it's through the desk. Oh, my desk is made out of paper.
Daddy?
That was a dad
Is
joke.
that you?
I know. Fucking loser. Paper good one. I have claimed indicator, but on training view I can't see it. You gotta refresh. X-Files. Refresh it. And it'll be in your locked, and it'll be in it'll be over here. Indicators, invite only, or it'll be like a locked screen. Or is it invite only? Yeah, invite only. I don't even know how to get rid of this guy. He invited me and it just won't come off. I don't need it. Slick Rips, you went to a wedding last night and they had me eating a steak with a plastic fork? Bro, now that's savage mode. Who the fuck has a wedding? Who has a wedding and gives plastic forks for the steak? What the fuck is wrong with them? Nah, ultra scalping is for that's a free one. That's totally up to you if you want to use it. X-Files, I highly recommend you to go to my Discord and then go to the tutorial section on how to use each one. Soul collectors is a little bit easier. And then go from there. And then Bully Bears Alerts is the next one. But you gotta have momentum with it. Ultra Scalp is just free. Anybody can get that one. Wow, volume really died down, guys. Really died. That's it? Early day for all the market makers? We have a few areas here. This order block one, I will be getting it out to you guys. I just need more time to code it. I don't like the code so far. Can't believe you were served a steak with fucking plastic fork, bro. Wow, so this lower high is not sticking, guys. I'm still not nervous yet. Yeah, the ultra scalp is that's totally up to you. I used to use it back in the day, but it's a little bit of work because I'm in and out. I'm sure some of you maniacs can probably use it better. You're in Soul? Yeah. Soul 1 is the flag with the anchors, and then you want to wait for a lower high to print, and then you enter. I may have jumped the gun here on gold because the lower high has not printed yet. Thanks for the share. Again, this is still picking a direction.
Daddy? Is that you?
Still picking a motherfucking direction. Daddy's back.
Felicity, welcome. Gold Daddy.
Man, if this starts ripping up higher, I might have to call it a loss. But we're staying patient. Until that higher breaks, I think we're good. Let's look at the 5-minute time frame. Still think we're good. You guys have Thanksgiving
Daddy?
plans for today?
Is that you?
Bro, didn't you follow me before?
E equals MC squared.
Don't be unfollowing me, motherfucker. I'll put you in the dungeon.
You wanna go in the fucking dungeon? Alright.
Just asking. Alright, that lower high, you know, it's pulling back. It's still not set. You need a couple candles, but you know, it's definitely wants to rip back. It wants to do something. We got 150 people in here. Hit that follow button. Help me grow on Thanksgiving. Give thanks to each other. Appreciate your life. Let's get this money. I don't see why it doesn't come down to this midline here. 188s. M&Q is donezo. Dead. Dead! I would assume gold has a little more volume because the rest of the world... Thanksgiving is only a USA holiday, right? Before I look like an idiot. I'm pretty sure it's only a USA holiday. Pilgrims and Indians. Yeah, it's gotta be US. So gold's still gonna move a little bit, but of course, you know, USA has the most volume. There we go, baby. No panic here. No panic here. Lower high is printed. Now, that will be our stop loss. If it starts going above 193, I am wrong. Okay? I will be wrong. I could add some more, right? I agree.
Order filled.
I am not in M&Q, no.
Order filled.
He says no panic, just pancake. Oh yeah. When you guys aren't looking and the camera goes off, I do rub pancake syrup on my nipples. Just seeing if you guys are paying attention. B-Tray's like, huh? What the fuck did I just walk into? Put the lotion on the skin. That's the first thing I hear. Yep. Dick Ribs says, I thought that was sausages. That comes after. Wow, that sounds really awkward. That comes after. Great man. Yeah, I've been in a short, bro. I wish it was more money. Doesn't look like it's that much money. Happy Thanksgiving, bro. I'm up in the air on if this wants to go rip through these. Totally gonna have to just judge this as it goes along. Would I like it to come to 187? Yes. Yes, yes, I would. Not that soul, bro. He's talking about my indicator.
Is that you?
Leila Simba. Welcome to the soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Hit that motherfucking follow button. You guys are doing great with the likes. 3,500 likes. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Help me grow. I'm past the 5,000 mark, guys. I'm past the 5,000 followers. I fucking did it. What should the next goal be? Should I just go for 20 or go for 10? I'm kind of like go big or go home, motherfucker. You know what I mean? All right, let's get out.
Order filled. Order filled.
10? I feel like I'm selling myself short there. Bing, bing. I'm in a short. Pa, pa, pa.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in one left. What a soul grab. What a soul, daddy. Are you not entertained with that move? Come on. Come on! I wanted to get one more out on this gold. I love gold.
Order filled.
I can't believe this one is not green yet. What the fuck's going on? You think it wants down here then? 187s? We gotta see right here. It's gotta blast through this. And then you got another one here too. So it's definitely gotta get some momentum. These are order blocks. So basically, these are areas where banks, institutions buy orders. They have orders there. So if it can't hold, most of the time it'll just rip right the fuck through. Oh. Thanks. You don't have to use it. If it don't work, then it don't work. I already have like a couple months extra free on there, but Might as well help each other out. It looks like we both get like 15 bucks or some shit. I can't remember if it was $15 or it was a free month. I have no idea. Guys, if you guys need funding, I'm man. If you guys need funding, right now I'm using 2 prop firms that I kind of like. Not kind of. I really do like Apex. It's really fucking cheap. As long as you trade small. Like this 570, I traded small. You guys watched me. I literally traded extremely fucking small here. And then put that across 3 accounts. $1,500 on a day trading baby dick shit. Eventually, Apex, I do want to try the 20 Apex challenge. So if you have, let's see, if this starts going above, I'm going to get out though, guys. I'm going to do a break even. I'm going to do break even at 191.1. So Apex, you can scale up to 20 accounts. Now, just hear me out. You pass the 20 accounts. Right now, it's an $80 deal for 50K account out the door, which is really good. If you want a little more, there's a 100K account. I'm up in the air on it, though. I feel like it gives you a little bit more wiggle room, but not that much. Not that much, so... But it is $69 right now.
Is that
so you can't complain.
Order filled.
Around Christmas? Yeah, let me get a nice payout. Damn, did I just close my gold? Oh, I'm still in this one. Well, you're going to do the 20? Yeah, I want to do it. So basically, let me try to get my... what the hell I'm trying to say here. So say you bought 20 accounts. Yes, it is pricey. $80 each. What is that? Let's calculate that. Well, it's $37 to get the combine. $80 at the door. 1,600? That's it? Holy shit. We might have to do this earlier. We might have to do it earlier. So basically what I'm trying to say is you get 20 accounts, you trade extremely small, 1 micro. Even if you get $200 a day, right? Let's say $200 a day. $200 a day, which is fucking a joke to me. $200 a day is a joke to me. Knock on wood. Let's say we do it 4 times a week. And we times that by 20 accounts. That's $16,000 a week. Now, most of the time, you're going to wait for Apex 2 weeks pay. Let's say we're only profitable 3 weeks out of the month. 3 weeks out of the month. And I'm being generous here. I'm doing 4 days a week. Only 3 weeks for the month. We're at $48,000 profit. I would like $48,000 profit. We did that in August. I don't know if you guys are all here during August. We fucking killed it in August. I made like, I think $55,000 in August. I did gamble 10K of that away. Lost it instantly. What a dummy. I said, fuck it. I'm going to turn this 10K into 100. I don't have 20. I'm gonna buy 20 accounts, though. Let's say we do 11 months profitable. So I literally just cut out a week and a whole entire month and a whole entire day. And it's $500,000. $500,000. Trading small. $200 a day. 200. 4 days profitable a week. Only 3 weeks profitable. And 11 months I did. I'm undershorting it. I bet you it's $800,000 if I were to do the full thing. I'm definitely down to do that. I want $500,000. Daddy wants $500,000. But if you do want that discount for the $80 total, it is $37 for a 50K account. If you pass, it's $40 activation fee. Extremely fucking good. 80 bucks out the door. Use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. It is possible, guys. It really is. There's some guys that took out $2 million from Apex. No, we just calculated it. Say $80 times 20. Right? I'm not crazy, right? $80 times 20 is $1,600 up. $1,600. The 100K I think is $67. It is a little cheaper. If you guys want, that would be cheaper actually, but you gotta make a little bit more profit just to get in. What, 67 times 20 is 1340. The problem though with wow, this is beautiful. I wish I was still in this on my my funded. I fucked up. What did MNQ do? Oh, we got a soul collector. Flag. Oh, well, dude, if you've been alive for 4 years and surviving, creating your own capital, you will do amazing in prop firms. You'll do amazing in prop firms as long as you just stay disciplined. Right? Mr. Dad, I'm like, oh, we did pit this though. I think I'm gonna get out there.
Order filled.
We hit all 3 order blocks. And you guys can see, I'm literally trading very small. This would probably equal to like 1 micro in the daytime if we had a regular market. I'm up almost 600 on one, $66. I am down 82 in this one. It's pissing me off, that one. I don't know why it's not, I feel like maybe my fills are getting bad on it. But yeah, if you guys want the latest and greatest deals on Apex, use code BULLY, all caps. And I do. I only preach what I use, guys. I don't fucking push out shit for money grabs. And when I start getting the affiliate code, like I'm very small still. So when I get the affiliate codes, I'm gonna start pushing out that money to you guys, because it's gonna help us both grow, right? You guys can get a giveaway free 50K account, and I'm gonna be getting followers at the same time. So it's almost like I'm giving to get. I ain't stupid, so I'm not gonna do it for free. This is why Daddy's rich, okay? I ain't rich yet. I'm pretty wealthy for my age though. What am I giving? As soon as the Apex starts paying me out in affiliate codes, I'm gonna start giving away the 50K the giveaways for the like an Apex account, whatever account you want. I've been looking it up. I think I have to use Cash App. I don't know how you guys feel about Cash App, but it looks like you need to use Cash App. It would be cheaper for the 100. You're right. I meant for a combine. I'm gonna give away a combine. Oh, you mainly use Cash App? You fucking criminal. Fucking criminal. I'm joking. Or am I? What's my win rate? I don't know. It's different every day. Some months are really good. October was rough. Like, you go to August, I was like 90% win rate in August. July, about 85. September, dropped down to like 77. October was terrible. I think I had a win rate of like 40%. This is true. This is true. Hustling's in your blood, bro. I'm mostly green every day, though. Knock on wood. Of course, stick around, Mr. Jam. Hit that follow button. I literally try to tell you what I'm doing at the same time. Do you have to qualify the Apex account or they let anybody trade? Depending on your country. I'm on a YouTuber's video. Oh, am I in that one guy? I thought he did a really good job. He said he said he liked my style. Yeah, sick rips. It depends on if you're like what country you're on. Just make sure you're in the correct country. But anybody that is accepted in the country can buy an account. Let's see. Oof. I do have that shift, but there's no meat on this trade here, guys. No meat on this. It's not moving a lot, so I can't just get in. But what you do is, right now, if you use code BULLY, all caps, you get a $37 account. Well, you get a $50,000 account for $37. If you pass, you got to do, then you got to pay 40 bucks. So it's $80 total. $80 total. There is a deal for a $100 account for $67 if you use my code, but let me see what's the difference on it. I don't want to steer you guys wrong. 6-7. 6-7. You still in the short? Let me see. I got out because of this order block here. But to be honest with you, we need this to rip down to 185. So it could. It could. This could rip down. Let's see. Let's see. I want to look at the Apex Creative 8 plan. So the 50K, the $50,000 account, your profit goal is 3,000 and your trailing threshold is 2,500. Make sure you guys know that rule too. Live trailing drawdown. So say you're up $1,000 and you don't close it and you let it come back to break even at like say $1 profit. You're now down $999 in stop loss. You're not down on the account. You're just, your stop loss got smaller. You're trailing. I mean, you guys can get bigger accounts too. I just feel like the 50K account on Apex is one of the best. You can get a $300,000 account, which would give you a trailing threshold of 7,500, or you got to make $20,000. Oh, they moved the rapid plan for my funded futures. They were being, people were pulling out 30K and just gambling then after the buffer. Ooh, I figured that. I was gonna do it. I was gonna do that. I was gonna do that too. All right, we might get this short. If it sticks, we might get in. There's a fee until you pass. So you want to pass within a month. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. If you don't pass within the month, then you should cancel and gamble the account away. But once you pass, this code gives you lifetime activation fee, so you don't have to do it monthly. What was that for the rapid one? I have 2 funded right here, and then 1 PA. Yeah, so I recommend Apex with the code. If there's no code, then I don't like the price. That makes sense? Let's look at this 100K. So the 100K, you need 6,000 and 3,000 threshold. Yeah, it gives you $500 more, but you got to double your TP, right? You got to double your TP. Why the fuck won't you show me the damn 50? So the 50K, you got to make 3,000. 100K, you got to make 6,000. The threshold drawdown on the 50K is 2,500, and the 100K is 3,000. So it doesn't make sense to me to do that. Now 150K kind of does. The 150K is really good, but after that, I don't think the other ones are good. Look up my funded futures. I'm actually curious to see if it's still there. Yeah, this is not going down gold, so be careful. We're kind of making a higher low. Jesus Christ. Get the fuck out of here, Gray. Can't this whole thing's an order block. Why it's like that. Higher low on gold, on NASDAQ. This could go up. It could go up. But honestly, V trades, you're gonna go to top step. So a lot of people are kind of they're not liking that rule, V trades, the top step rule. They're not liking it, the people. Tradeovate. I like Tradeovate, yep. Because I use Tradeovate, and then I link my Tradeovate to TradingView. It's totally up to you guys. But I don't like Ninja Trader. I too much for me to learn. Yeah. It does, V trades. A lot of prop firms though are gonna close your trades at like between 12:15 and 12:45, so be careful. Let's go to... I want to see if they took out that rapid. So, like, the core plan for my funded futures, I'm really starting to like them. I think they're better than Top Step. The problem is that you have to use their platform. Yes, Megan, yes. But just, I want you guys to understand the live trailing drawdown. Does anybody need me to teach you that? Just use code BULLY, all caps. Whoa. And I do use it. No one can win this market, whatever is in gold. The forex and these brokers have AI systems now. I agree and I disagree. The market runs on people's emotions. If there's too much AI involved, it will change. Does that make sense? Nobody will buy. The market is based off of people's emotions. It's a gamble. It's a gamble. Yeah, I'm winning. I'm up 600. I'm up about 750. No, and then minus to 82, like 650. So you need a 5,000 and then yeah, but then you need $2,500 to request another payout. Well, you need to maintain $2,500, which really isn't that big of a deal. But say you make 10 G's and you take out 5, you gotta maintain it above 5, or else you're not taking that 5 G's out. It's stuck in there. Do any of you guys need me to teach you the live trailing drawdown? What it means? I have Forex. I have, and it's wrong a lot. A lot of people on here can attest to that. All right, we got the X of death on gold. Means it lost momentum. So if you're shorting gold still, I would think about getting out. Doesn't mean it's not going to go down, but the momentum is gone. Damn, we should have took this fucking MNQ. I'm curious to see. And then my next recommendation is My Funded Futures. I'm not affiliated with them. I do like...
Daddy? Is that you?
How do you like the Pro Plan V trades? I used to trade Forex for a couple years. I've been trading well over 10 years. Forex is too slow for me now. Futures is where it's at. Pro Plan's too expensive? Let's see. How much is it? It is expensive. $227? Shit. But you do realize that you can take out as much money as you want in 14 days, right? Up to 100K? No, end of day drawdown, 14 days total. And if you just traded slow, say you made 500 bucks, that would be crazy. Yeah, I know how to do that stuff too. You just gotta look where the volume is. Nice, Leon. See, nice and steady, nice and slow. Does anybody need me to teach you? Yeah, NQ does look long. High or low. My problem is, where is the volume there? Is the volume there? I don't know. It needs volume. But it does look up for market structure. Oh God, Megan. That's a lot. You should have learned first before you bought that. You can just use the website Tradeovate. Oh, of course. Yala. Yeah, Megan, you should have I don't want anybody to waste money. Oh, for somebody else? Okay. It's totally up to you. All you need is Tradeovate. If you bought the Tradeovate version, all you got to do, you could actually just go on the website Tradeovate and trade from the website. This is TradingView. This costs money. There is a Black Friday deal going on, but that's totally up to you guys. It's 200 bucks. But compared to $700 for the year, I'll pay $200 gladly. All right, we might get a Soul Collector on gold. I gotta turn my camera off just for a second. I feel like I'm out of breath. Yala, I'm proof. I'm proof that you can make money. I literally do it in front of you. Don't get all bunched up in that hype. You're right. There is
Daddy,
bots, but
Is that you?
the bots are trading the human motions strategies. And if they stop and start trading their own, then the market's not going to work. I promise you. Eventually it won't work. We'll just stop trading. Yeah, Mike, I need to wait for an entry though. I need to wait for an entry.
Crack! Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Daddy, chill.
In my opinion, the core plan and the scale plan are really great. Soul collector, baby.
So daddy.
Full port long. Nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for a higher low to form, and then we're gonna get in a little heavy if it moves. Make this $1,000 day, you know? $1,000 Thanksgiving. I'm cool with that. $1,000 turkey day. I want to buy a golden turkey. Fuck the goose. I want to be rich where I can make a turkey gold. Holy shit, Liberty. You got 304 points. Correct. It closes at 1. But honestly, 12 o'clock, it's going to be dead probably. Nice. The more this drops, the better, guys. Thank you for the rose. I appreciate it. You the best. You the best. Best I ever had. Ball long and NQ. Ooh, nice one. Yeah, the higher low. I just didn't know if it had the volume, Danny. I agreed with the market structure. We broke this, and it looks lovely. It does look really nice. Definitely broke it. If I'm saying at least 308s. Look at my profit, jackass. We don't want you in here anyway. Stupid fuck. You're not worthy to become a Bully Bears. I'm just talking shit. I don't care. You like this indicator files? Yeah. It helps give you structure on what's going on. You don't double guess yourself, because that's what I do sometimes. I have so much information in my brain, and I'm like, ugh. So I programmed stuff to help my brain work. NQ does look nice, but I don't want to chase that. If it comes back to like 294s, then you could maybe. Even like 292s. Depends on the market, Danny. I guess so. But like, say this whole week, or even last week, one candle was 100 points. If you went past one micro, you were literally risking like $800 at a time. So it depends on the market conditions for sure. Definitely depends on the market conditions. Trading on Thanksgiving, unprofitable. That made me giggle. In a way, I agree with him though, because it's I expected to make nothing today, so I'm here just to, you know, kill some time. Maverick. Yeah, I'm not leaving until around 3 hours, so. No, I'm not going to be on that long. I'll probably be done by 12. At 12 o'clock, volume might
you?
die. It does close at 1 p.m. though.
Belaying, welcome to the Bully Bears Trading.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei. Okay.
That is pretty cheap, free trades. Again, I'm gonna wait to see what everybody's doing on Top Step. I do like their I do like fucking Top Step, their platform. It's just that they were too expensive before. Now they're not, so now we're gonna have to see what the fuck did I just change. We did hit VWAP already on gold. See how NQ here? Like you could buy this, but it's a risk. It's a risk. I think it takes effect now. All right, let's see what happens here. I kind of want to take one.
Order filled.
I'm in long gold. Remember, the volume is slow.
Order
You can
filled.
lose this, okay? July was your last payout. Mine was in September. End of September. Yeah, the 150 is good. Just before, it used to be really expensive. Yeah, because you will have a lot of wiggle room there. I think that starts now, Maverick. V-Trades, that deal starts now? Correct. So they do have the original $50 plan, and then if you want a lower activation fee, it's like 80 something. I don't remember it off the top of my head. But if you're good at passing, this is excellent. Like me, I can pass very, knock on wood, I can usually pass very easily, so it's going to benefit me. But if you're still learning, you still got that $50 move. But I believe Apex is better to learn on. Apex is better to learn on. And also, you can fucking... You can make a lot of money in Apex. You can. You can scale it really good. You just need to slow down in Apex. That's all I recommend. Apex, don't fucking go full port on Apex. If you just... Well, the one-day pass, you can do whatever you want. But once you pass, just go slower. You'll get the payout. You need 8 days anyway of trading in Apex. So why not fucking buffer that up and then monster it? And then also, after you get your trailing drawdown, say you make past 2,500, your trailing drawdown stops. You can go like fucking beast mode. I've gotten Apex counts up to like 20 Gs. I mean, I think the Project X is really good, but I can't use my indicators on there. So I have to have 2 screens at a time. I was thinking about Alpha is it Alpha? Alpha Futures? Their accounts seem really good except for the daily drawdown. I don't like daily drawdowns. Daily drawdowns, I feel like you shouldn't be losing $1,000 a day on a 50K account anyway, but it still puts pressure on you. So that's why I'm like, But like, say it's like $1 over, then you're fucked. And then you gotta wait for the next day to trade. That's the only thing I don't like. And they do that shit on purpose. They don't say that's to help the trader. Most of the time, when they do that, they fuck up your momentum. They stop the gambling. That's what happens. going one more.
Order filled. Order filled.
And if you guys want, I can show you how live trailing drawdown works.
Order filled.
This is my course that I was gonna do for beginners. It's taking me a long fucking time, I'm not gonna lie. Made the slides, I just gotta record the videos. Let's see. What are futures? When to whom to trade? How does cash firms work? Prop firms I recommend. Okay, so this is the intraday trailing drawdown versus end of day. So end of day drawdown. End of day drawdown is the maximum amount you can lose in a trading day. Checked at the market close. It sets a limit based on your starting account balance. If you make a profit by the end of the day, the limit adjusts upwards. The limit resets each new day to the original starting point. So say $50,000 account. You got to make 3 without losing 2. They don't count the $2,000 stop loss. So say you start at 50K, your stop loss is at 48,000. The entire day does not move. That's your stop loss. And then at the end of the day, they'll adjust it depending on how much you make. Now the live trailing drawdown. Live trailing drawdown is a loss limit that follows the highest value of your account, including profits from open trades, unrealized profits. Updated in real time with no daily reset. The limit moves up as your account reaches new highs and stays in place until you either lock in gains or fall below. So your intraday trail down, it moves up with your profit as it goes on. So say we start at 8 o'clock with $0, you have $2,500 loss. As you make money, this trails up with it, and you can see we made up to 6,000, and then your stop loss was at 3,500. You didn't make any more money, so it started to close down, and that's with unrealized profit too. So say I'm up $1,000 on the trade and still open, and I don't close it, and I say I'm going to do this at break even, and it comes all the way down to $1 profit. Yes, you're green $1. You walk away with $1. Awesome. But your live trailing drawdown is now minus $1,000. So now you only have a wiggle room of $1,500. So it's great to lock in profits as you go along. It's just a different method. That's it. But yeah, I got 25 slides here. Oh, I got way more. I got 32 slides. I do need to film it, and then I need to do a trading video on it. It's just, I'm a fucking trader, guys, so it's the editing side, it's a ball drain to me. Does anybody use Alpha Capital in here though? That's another one I want to look. Is it still here? Lucid trading has really good rules too, except you can't take out that much money, I don't think. Guys, if you're watching and you're not following, hit that follow button. Help me out. It's Thanksgiving. Be kind to me. Let's see, my lucid trading. They have a consistency of 35%. Buffer zone. So you can only take out $1,500 at a time until you get up to... so I feel like my funded futures is better in that aspect. The alpha futures seems really good, but... have that daily loss. I do not like it. They get rid of that daily loss, I'll fucking hop on board instantly. I feel like we should take out one here though. X6 piece of shit. No, joking. Happy Thanksgiving, bro. See the volume starting to die down a lot. Look at MNQ. So at 12 o'clock, we'll probably start closing these trades. It depends if I get too drunk. Most likely I'll be on. I just don't want to promise. Or if I'm in a food coma.
Order filled.
Alright, we got out one.
Order filled.
Very nice, man. Hell yeah, there you go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Next stop. Oh my god, this whole thing's an order block. That's why it's white. I mean, this could go up to 191s too. I want to get in.
Order filled.
I think this keeps going up.
Order filled.
Hell yeah. Keep going, baby. Keep going. That fucking 4-hour high. Still here. Still giving us this fucking shit. Blast through, baby.
I demand you to grow. Grow.
Daddy, chill.
Come on, baby. There you go. Nice little fair value gap. Rip, let's go. Come on. Come on. I averaged out a little bit. I only have 2 in left. I think it wants up though. Gold. I love gold. Uh-oh. Needs to bounce here or I'm fucking done. Thank you, dump. Oh yeah. It was so slow. Dude, that looked like it wanted to rip city. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. It needs to rip through that red fair value gap. If not, then the volume is probably going to die. Uh-oh. It might be a little bit soul collecting. I think it goes up, though. Whole thing's in order black. Jesus. On the 5. Ditching the trade. Nah, market's closing soon. Get back up there. I can get this one account green. Fighting all day with it. I want to add one more, but the X of death. The X means that it lost momentum. Back to green on it. Maybe it'll rip like I thought it was. Needs to break that higher high though this time. Guys, 100 people in here. It's Thanksgiving. Hit that motherfucking follow button. Bro, why doesn't this give me more shit? Bloago a 90? Where? Oh, down here? Oh, no, this is gold. MNQ 90s. Yeah, the problem is the volume. That's it. It definitely looks great for longs, but the volume could die. This needs to break the higher high or it is done. It's about to be lunchtime. Hoping one more rip right here. Guys, I got 19 new followers. Hit one more follow. Let me get 20. Let me achieve the goal for today. One more follower. Be kind in your heart. Hit the fucking follow button or you're going in the...
Daddy?
Going in the fucking
Is
dungeon.
that you?
Mr. Paul! Welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Damn, it made that higher high and just fucking dumped. Alright, we got our goal 20 for the day. I did not like that. It is not breaking this. Come on, daddy. Come on, soul daddy. While we're waiting, guys, you guys want to hear my music? Said okay, I guess.
When the souls are taken and that big yellow flag appears,
Big yellow flag.
you know the soul collector is near. As I take traitors' dignity and turn it into profits.
In the profits.
I am king of my dungeon.
My fucking dungeon.
They call me Alpha Daddy.
Oh, feel it, feel it.
All aboard the motherfucking soul train.
All aboard the motherfucking soul train.
Big yellow flag waving, burning through the night like flame. I snatch your soul at the wick, turn you open to my games. Alpha Daddy on the throttle, laughing while you scream my name. Choo choo, no brakes, no mercy, no light. Welcome to the dungeon, baby. Kiss your bags goodnight. Oh, 100 bride, every life savings on the line. You was tweeting diamond hand, now you flatlining 9 weeks cut deeper than a preacher switchblade helm. I'm the ghost in the candlestick. Watch a whole world dim from the Coinbase coffin to the Binance guillotine. I harvest every moon, but begging win Lambo in his dreams. Paper millionaires turn to ashes in the pit. Your dignity's my dividend, bitch. I never miss a lick. Mama prayed I never ride this devil's iron horse, but the greed done spoke louder than the voice of the Lord. Now the train rolls heavy through the fog of broken men. Every seat got a username that won't moon again. All aboard the motherfucking soul train. Big yellow flag snapping, that's a signal of your pain. I'm the king of this dungeon throne, built from your shame. Alpha Daddy collecting souls forever in my reign. Choo choo, motherfucker, last stop, zero balance. Your whole life just became my performance bonus.
Tickets not refundable, paid in opium and tears. See you on the next crash
Alpha Daddy, baby.
all aboard the
Motherfucking soul train. Woo! That got me fucking pumped up. We gotta do one more. We can't. One more. You ready? Let's get it. Oh yeah.
When the souls are taken and that big yellow flag appears, you know the soul collector is near. As I take traitors' dignity and turn it into profits. I am king of my dungeon. They call me Alpha Daddy. All aboard the motherfucking soul train.
On the motherfucking soul, baby.
All aboard the motherfucking soul train. Big yellow flag waving, burning through the night like flame. I snatch your soul at the wick, turn your hope into my game. Alpha Daddy on the throttle, laughing while you scream my name. Choo choo, no brakes, no mercy, no light. Welcome to the dungeon, baby, kiss your bags goodnight. When price bounces off that fair value gap, you know Alpha Daddy got you in the bag. Doesn't matter if you like candlewick, that big body gonna wax your ass. No consent, we just take you a beat saying, Alpha Daddy, please clean my dungeon. I wanna be a bully bear.
Bully bears, baby.
Fed power fucking walking up our flow. Chart pattern looks like a Super Bowl. Yum yum, shut the fuck up so we can trade this imbalanced waterfall. Don't challenge the bully bears or you're gonna lose. All aboard the motherfucking soul train. Motherfucker, last stop, zero balance. Your whole life just became my performance bonus. Tickets non-refundable, paid in hopium and tears. See you on the next crash, friend.
Alpha Daddy
Disappears.
Fucking Alpha Daddy. Fucking Alpha Daddy. If you pay attention to the lyrics, they actually tell you my strategy almost. I made this last time. It was weird.
Yeah. Bully Bears. Market Ferry. Where you at? Let's fucking go. Who got time to dream? I just straight go watch NASDAQ bleed. Bully Bears, give me powers. I'm about to be the greatest indeed. Market Ferry.
A little aggressive.
Make me rich. No cap. I ain't trying to be no bitch. Laying flat on my back. Roses red, violets blue. And Q runs 100 points soon as I'm out the move. Alpha Daddy don't miss, never cry, never flinch. Sitting in the dungeon, slapping that ass like a pimp. Ask who? Ask me, bitch. I'm the chosen one. Souls collected daily. Bank account, weigh a ton. Click the trade, click the win. Rules on lock, no giving in. Gambling savings in the ditch. Nah, that's for the weak. Bully Bears, pad lit. Now my future looking sick. Who got time to dream? I just straight go watch NASDAQ bleed. Bully Bears, give me powers. I'm about to be the great ass indeed. Market Ferry, drop that bag. Make me feel the rich. Dignity and cash, only things on my wish list. I smell fear in the bids. Bears growling, bulls crying, tape read like a Bible. Every tick I'm diving. Alpha Daddy in the chair, leather chains and greed. Every candle that
Alpha Daddy, baby.
the pure prophecy. Go! Click the trade, click the win. Execution clean, rules unlocked. No gigging in, discipline supreme. Give me the loot, give me the gains. I want yachts, I want chains, I want brown, Bradley Payne. No more Raymond, no more pain. Just shout, bang, wang. Bully Bears forever, carve it on my chain. They said trade small, stay safe. I said fuck all that, leverage to the moon. Now my P&L looking fat. One click, life flip from broke to elite. Alpha Daddy rising, bow down at my feet. No time to drink, I just straight go watch NASDAQ bleed. Bully Bears gave me powers, now I'm everything I need. Market Ferry,
I don't know if it's gonna go up higher.
the golden ticket, quick to trade, click to win. Now I'm slapping every ass, counting rack, living wicked. Souls are mine, cash is mine.
Those are mine, cash is mine. That shit's hard.
Bully Bears, we run this shit. See you in the ditch, bitch.
This one, I didn't like. I don't think.
Yeah.
Or maybe this is a better one.
Bears. Market Ferry, where you at? Let's fucking go. Who got time to dream? I just straight go watch NASDAQ bleed. Bully bands give me powers, I'm about to be the greatest indeed. Market Ferry, grim my payout, make me rich, no cap. I ain't trying to be no bitch, laying flat on my back. Rose is red, white is blue, and Q runs 100 points soon as I'm out the move. Off a daddy, don't miss, never cry, never flinch. Sitting in the dungeon, slapping the X like a pimp. X, who X me? Bitch, I'm the chosen one. Souls collected daily, bank account, wire a ton. Click the trade, click the win. Rules on lock, no giving in. Gambling savings in a ditch. Nah, that's for the weak. Bully bass, pat lit. Now my future looking slack. Who got time to dream? I straight go watch not to bleed. Bully bands give me powers, I'm about to be the
Yeah, I didn't like that one too much. We got grunge, we got everything.
Bully bears crawl the pit, futures rot and bleed. Soul collector, alpha daddy, flannel king of greed. Yellow flag in the rain, liquidity gets swept. Traders drown in feedback, punch their tickets. Death. Oh shit! Two rockets scream! Soul train's coming, no escape from the drain! All aboard the motherfucking soul train! Long green slush, profit through the pain! Rice scams gaps like a junkie on the run! Move to the block, fill it, make it clap scum! Don't call Keisha, she'll burn the candle red! 1 week to hell, leave your soul for dead! Boom! Explodes up, cash it the blue line! All hail Alpha Daddy Grog, savior divine! Slow.
A lot of screaming. Waiting for this trade to pop me out real quick. The volume is super dead. Obviously, you know, it's 12 o'clock. Time to wrap this up soon.
Daddy? Is that you?
Anybody that followed me before, welcome to motherfucking Bully Bears.
Daddy, chill.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
I feel like I'm gonna put my goal at 20,000. $20,000 followers. Go big or go home, baby. Huge goal, huge goal. We're doing it. 20,000 followers. Don't sell yourself short. You got this. I wouldn't buy anything. The market closes in 45 minutes. Come on, get me out of this trade. Rip up real quick. If it doesn't come back up soon, we're gonna have to just close it. It's only $9. Who cares? Yeah, it's just chop. It's dead. I'm looking to get out of this. Should have got out before.
Daddy?
1 minute.
Is that you?
Thanks for the follow. Fucking motherfucking bully bears.
Daddy, chill.
We're back in green. Ooh, Trader Sync is running something. Oh, I thought it was a copy trader. Get the fuck up there.
Order filled.
Ooh. Bro, this thing will not go up. You're right there. Go up a little more. Okay.
Order filled.
I need this to go up a little bit more in amount. Daddy? Daddy, higher. I'm just getting out now. The volume is so dead, so if I'm in profit, I'm just taking it out now. I mean, we're up 710 minus 48. 650. Not too bad. This just needs to move up a little more. The spread's getting a little wide, though. Alright. This fucker. This fucking thing. While we're waiting, let me wrap this up. Everybody, have a happy Thanksgiving. If you're not following, hit that fucking follow button. Free Discord in the bio. If you want access to my indicators, the VIP section, 30-day free trial. After the 30 days, it is $1 a day, 30 for the month. Separate from the Discord. That's just if you want my indicators. You do not have to have them, but I give you that option. You see me use it every single day, so... yeah. Other than that, have a happy Thanksgiving. And if you want, Apex is running a banging ass deal. 80% off with a $40 activation fee. That's less than $80 for a $50,000 account. Fucking really, really good. As long as you understand the rules and you trade small, you're going to get a great payout. The more you scale into that, say you get 20 accounts, you can easily make $40,000 every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks. Thanks for the flower. I appreciate it. Alright, Daddy might close this. Use code BULLY, BULLY, for the latest and greatest discounts at Apex. I use it. I don't recommend anything I don't use.
Daddy? Is that you?
Selling the ass to get out of this. It closes in 30 minutes, that's why.
Order filled.
Damn, it ends up hitting our spot. You bitch. Ah, whatever.
Guys, everybody have a happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy.
Spend time with your families. And if you don't have any family, remember, Bully Bears is always your family.
Bully Bears is out. Doses.
And hit that follow button.